Professor Kumari Anjali, dignitaries sitting off the dais, honorable members of the management committee of this college, esteemed educators, students, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, आप सबों को मेरा आदाब, प्रणाम और जोहार. Good afternoon. Will you please provide me a chair so that I can sit here? बस वही उसी तरह का चेयर दे दीजिए और एक माइक दे दीजिए मुझे यहाँ पर. I am deeply honored to stand before you today as we are discussing on a very valuable thing which is reshaping our education system, that is artificial intelligence. So please do not mind, I will sit here. And this groundbreaking technology has entered into our life, and education is no exception. I will start with what is intelligence. You know that intelligence has been discussed mainly in psychology. A student of psychology used to discuss intelligence, and from their book I have taken this definition. That is a very simple definition, that ability to recognize the problem, the ability to solve the problem, and the ability to learn the problem is intelligence. Next please. And intelligence is directly related to the human brain. You know, it is the center of intelligence and memory and emotions. And intelligence, and that's why human brain, due to the human brain, in our Holy Quran, God said that you are Ashraful Makhluqat. You are superior to all creation because of this brain. And सबसे सम्मानित प्राणी हैं आप. Human is the noblest of all creation. And ये जो brain होता है, that is made up of neurons. Neurons का तस्करा कर रही थी अभी मैडम. न्यूरॉन्स होता है जिसकी संख्या 86 बिलियन होती है ब्रेन में. नेक्स्ट प्लीज. ह्यूमन ब्रेन एंड कंप्यूटर both are made up of many wire-like structure. In there is neurons, and here is the wires, and both work on electric signals. And that's why this close relationship between the brain and computer suggested that it might be possible to construct an electronic brain. Therefore, biology has played a foundation role in artificial intelligence. So the concept of the brain was studied by the computer scientists, and they have taken it there. The idea that the human